Hello guys! Welcome back to Full Stack Overflow. This video is all about the WordPress single page. First, let us create a single.php file. In this file, it contains the main content of our blog post. So let's go back to our static file, which is the inner post.html. Copy the whole article block, markup, and go back to single.php file. So this article block section, let's copy this. Then in our single.php file, add again our header and footer function. Then paste between the copied markup from inner post.html. Then go to our site and click a specific blog. So as you can see, static content is already displaying in your blog, but the layout is not yet fixed. So to fix this, in single.php, add a section container or parent with subpage class and inner section. Go back to the website, refresh, and now the layout is already fixed. Next step is to make the page dynamic. So to do this, copy the query we had created in our page.php from our previous tutorial. This is the have post loop. Paste this after the article block container. And then the closing condition will be after the article body container. Since we already have loop function, let's proceed to display the title using the underscore title function. Okay, then on the date function, there are parameters on how we are going to display the date format. Let us use here the underscore date function with these parameters. Okay, let's use the underscore date. With parameter F for month, D for day, and Y for year. Then for the author, use the underscore author function. For content, replace the static text with the content function. Refresh our inner blog page. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add the opening tag for our date. Okay, refresh. So that's it. Our title, date, author, and content is already working. In this case, I'll just add a dummy content from lorem ipsum website. So I will just copy a specific content here and paste to our inner blog post. Paste it here, click update, refresh our site. Oops, sorry, I just edited the blog tree. So let's go here, click, and that's it. It's already working. The content is reflected in our inner blog. Then let's try to add an image. Choose an image. And click update. Refresh. And that's it. Image is working properly. So here it is, guys. We are almost complete on our website. That's how simple it is on how to create a WordPress theme. In our next topic, I will teach you on how to create a custom post type for our topics and testimonials section. So for more updates and tutorials, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you!